The 511 Rush Moab 6 or Mobile Operation Attachment Bag is part of the Rush series of premium quality gear packs from 511 Tactical. This bag can act as a tactical pack, a grab-and-go bag, or a quick and easy shoulder pack for school or travel. The ambidextrous padded strap is fully adjustable, while a tech pocket at the shoulder holds your electronic gear. There's also a pass-through access point for headphones. A quick stash pocket at the rear offers covert storage, and an internal water bottle pocket helps you stay hydrated. The interior storage area is roomy and organized, and a Molly slick stick web lining around the exterior allows you to personalize your storage options. The Moab 6 comes equipped with a 511 tier system, allowing you to integrate with other Rush series bags. There's a covert tac-tech pocket at the rear and a fleece-lined sunglass pocket. We've added a sturdy grab-and-go handle and comfortable compression straps. The Moab 6 is constructed from durable, lightweight 1050D nylon that's water-resistant. The YKK self-healing zippers are glove-friendly, and we've also included a hook-and-loop flag patch. This is the 511 Rush Moab 6.